Chairman jongka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization Cosmo ba Roy Kupar Synrem haka jingkran haka jingelang pai ba balakhot haka Cosmo haka khatway terek leber hamot pran ula Ther teng Myntri Rangbah Khuborjylla Conrad Sangma daka ba uong Conrad Sangma wat nam klat ba pilong Myntri Rangbah de daka jingjit kijat benriu acek bat ula ong ru ba kijat benriu acek kila ru ban penhiar kerdan daka jinglong Myntri Rangbah ha usnam ar hajar ar pupra lada kikwa Kumta ula ongru pidon por sa laisnam ban yada ya kariti bat ke kolshor kijat benriu acek. Nalor kata ula ongru ki Bengal ki de banit paino sa Bengal namar ya ki rilom Garo lalong try da ki acek. Bat ya ke Meghalaya lalong try da ki neutrap bat acek. Ki Bangladeshi ni ki Pakistan.
Yalang bat kan sebom nyangu yo blay nong bunong tau bladon ringkat mumabsyu slap ru Kublai Shibun ya baru kibedon nak di Khubor ngini syak Shibur ngini nam tak di Khubor kabamenta. We thank each one of you who are here, especially our Achek brothers and sisters from Khasi Hills zone. We want to give one message to you. This gathering today, in this momentous occasion, we show our solidarity with the Achek people who are in Garo Hills, who are standing against the illegal immigrants and who are still fighting. We want to tell you that the Nyautra people are with you in this fight, and we will be with you till you make sure that each and every illegal immigrant is being chased from Garo Hills. Mr. Conrad Sangma, here also this voice of the Nyautra people, that the Khasinews and the Garos will not allow you to sell Garo Hills to the illegal immigrants. We will not allow Conrad Sangma or his party to sell the land of the Achek people to the Miyas. Today we are here as a symbolic gesture, but if you need us to be in Chibinang or to be in Garo Hills, the Nyautra people will take up sword, will take up the materials that is needed and will stand together shoulder to shoulder with the Achek people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are a chief minister because the Achek people have supported you. And if they want, they will also make you come down of that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the Achek people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the Achek people are protected. And you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the Achek people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to ensure that this Bengal who are staying in Garo Hills should be detected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? The police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. भाई तू बांग्लादेशी है तो बांग्लादेश में जाओ. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the Achek people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the Achek land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofia Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message claiming that Pulbari, Rajabala, Chibinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the Achek land. Sofia Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The Achek people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the Hinyotre people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Yachik and the Hinyotre are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. You go and shout Allahu Akbar to Bangladesh, we have no problem. But don't come and shout Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya, brother. This is our land. And if you want to fight, come out of hiding and fight us in light, not hiding, not at night. Come out and fight. You attack the poor people. You attack those weak people in Chibinang, the Garo brothers and sisters, because they are minority in numbers. If you want to show power, come to Tura, let us fight. Come out of the plain belt. Fix a day, fix the time. The Hinyotre and the Yachik will be there. Let's see who wins. These Bangladeshis, they came as labor, they came as tenant. They used the people of Garo Hills, the Yachik people. Now, because of their illegal activities, because of these mafias, they have been controlling the illegal activities in the plain belt areas of Garo Hills. The illegal stone mining that is going on is because of these people. And we blame our leaders, we blame the government of the day and the government of the past. Because of them, these Miyas have dared to attack the owner of the land. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders, it is because of you that this has happened. It is because of you that Sangma has to lose his life. It is because of you that his mother, his wife, his children lost their breadwinner in the family. The blood is in your hand, and you have to decide how to wash that blood from your hand. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders from Garo Hills, you have been using the Achik people for the last 50 years because of your vote bank politics. You have been using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the Achik people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our Achik brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the Achik, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he knows the Achik people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the Achik people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my Achik brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills. It belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your neutral brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money, and now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you'll suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make us stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? No. Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember, and I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills, and also our neutral brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the neutral people. Ngakwa ban pinkan mawi kani. Balada mentah ni, ya ka khendau ka siap, ya ka hok long try, ya ka hok halor ka sinsyar ka khadar, jong ki Garo po Garo Hills, kan poiru ka Khubor, bakini ki joy ki brio, kin kini ya ka hok long try, halor ka khendau ka siap, halor ka sanhima, sima, jong yi unyo trap, lada ngimlong ki bausiar. Pari, kani ka jinyalang mentah ka sikam day, tang bangin ayah kata ka jing Krisyan, yaki perlok ki jong ye po Garo Hills, ka deiru, ka jing pinkan mau, ka jing pinkan ded, yangi kum ki try retry muluk, bangin long ki bausiar. Atong ikwa, bakai ka baca Garo Hills, ka ju ka pot kan jayangi, hang ne po rilum kasi bajantia. Ngihap ban perkat ban raya kata. Ngim kwa ban yoi, bawairu. Udo usna mo jongi, unsha bena la ka jongi yengi sam, unsha kini ya ka jaka ka puta, unsha peniap, unsha kini ya la ka jong ka jingem. Kay ka bamat kini ka parlok ki jongi po Garo Hills, kala banja hangnya rilum kasi bajentia ka jongi ru, ladang yemlong ki bahusia pari. Kare kata ka jingmut jongani ka jingalang, kadai kumbong iba Thomas. Bateng-teng ko bajai priung ya ban pelong ya kum kini ki jingalang, ban pun kendit, ban kersiu tia, ban pun ken mau, bang ngim dai ban song tia thai, ngim dai ban skohun, tang balayo ya karoi kapar, kalau biang ngim ngiklat no pat, ya kau long try, halot ka kendo ka siap ka jongi. Pari kata ka ni ka jingmut, jongani ka jingalang, banganget, banang ni syakman, pet pa, ya ka saudong ka saukun ka jongi. Pei pha ya karut ka kiar ka jong phi. Halaki jong ki snong ki thau. Halaki jong ki it ki hima. Halaki jong ki yin ki sam. Pei pha ya ka sor Shillong ka badon. Ka sor ka bangi ni ngolong trai lada wan nang no ru na keleng jong ka briu nyau trem. Hatung ni long trai. Halaka jong kari ka jong i. Hadong idang kwa ban penne yak ni jing long trai ka jong i. Hatong i kwa ba hadin sun post nem hadin chispas nem lading i pelong kum kini ki jalang baro kini ki dukan ki nong we nong ar ki long trai ki dei ban khang kum ni kum ka dei ban khang man ta si karai kari ka jonga ka jong fi karai kari jong kani ka pateng ka pamenta lada kani ka pateng ka pamenta kam sim ya karai ka betenge ban yada ya ka jong ka khando ka siap kan mau baki khun ki khti ki jong ni ki nom don khando ki nom don siap ban yada lan ban yale ban penne pensa kata kari ka jing sisa ka ban ya ban perkat hatungi ai mo ya kata khno ka siap ala jong ki khun ki khti lada ka pateng ka ban sawan kenang mau makiru kila ban yeng ban yada ban penne pensa lada kali ka pateng ka pamenta nyim yeng ban yada nyim yeng ban penne pensa ka pateng ka banong ka banangwan ka nom don khndo ka nom don siap bakan penne pensa pari hoi ngisngop sarong bang iyo yaw tau chief minister ubalanang lastat ngiyo yaw chief minister ubala puli na kiri ki bapau jong ka perthei ngiyo yaw chief minister ubakren siapang kata karoi kapar ubakren yakinyo hajar fra hajar sipo hajar krur ki development manusnem ki bapoy sa kaninga jela ka jongi ubakren siapang kata ka economy ka banpoy sa kapaka sata ka $10 billion economy pari ka jingkeli kalong hatungin hun laningin ya pen ya kata karoi kapar bat ka hok long try ka jongi halor kani ka khendo wa siap hatungin ya pen ya ka jing long try ka jongi halor ka khendo ka siap halor kani ka snap ka bakerbang ka bau nong bu nong tau ula ayo nyau trap nyo skum langin ya pen tang namar kata ka 10,000 ka khasan hajar ka 4,000 kror ka development lani ki roi ki par ki bakini ki nongi lam ki jongi ki wandra Mr. Conrad Sangma abo ulet chadi maasaw when he went to the maasaw he talks or he speaks about dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule he is or he still is for the last 8 years as the chief minister of our state. His party is still leading GHDC in the executive committee. What have you done, Mr. Conrad Sangma, for the last 8 years to ensure that this dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule that is happening in GHDC for the last 50 years? Uladon hakashuki mentala prasnam. Ulek chadi masau. Banong ba lapen belat, lapen telot yaki kendon jong ka 6th schedule. Ule ayu pat hapo GHDC mentasan post nam kalayai kata kajing penbelat mentah prasnya mula dona kasuki atau ula persyang mo ban penbet ya kicing bakla kibaki noilam kibarem kilale pimla ban syukendo ya kibalale nawar kim don syu akabor pi don akabor mentah pile ayu kan ban penbah ya kata kajing bakla kibaki noilam kibarem kilale kata kena jingkeli kabang ikwa ban bu yau Conrad Sangma ya ka sorkar ka jongi ya ki noilam ki jongi lada lek chakwi ka jela chakwi jaka ban yo nong politics piong bala blat la telot ki kendon jo ka 6th schedule wan pat hayeng la jong haji HDC ka sinong try ka jongu la khala long hanta uklet pan Baji GDC mentala sanpo teligis nam kiyat post new hajing bakla namar kila ailat yake mendir bakin yo banlong kinong takbut badru ban yo banlong kita ki MDC bale yoi hakini ki prat teligis nam ki blalet onda menta haba kini ki perlo Garo ki yeng ban yada ban penek pensa, ban yakun, ban pentikna. Baka GCDC kadai nam tau Garo kimi kini keke. Nyimla ban len. Baka ni kajing bakla. Kajing ailat. Hakini kisan po teligi senam. Kinyo po teligi senam. Bayaki wei pa lailat. Ban ya shimenta kini election jong ka GCDC. Reka por kadang biang. Ban wanra ya kajing kela. Dialor katakan nomrem bagi porlok na po Garo Hills kiyeng hakum kani kapor banong bakaladei kapor ban pendet ya kani kajing bakla kamangilaya lenti menta dekin nyopo tuligisnam kadei yang iru kum kajat nrew nyotrem bangin ai kajing kersyan yiki porlok na po Garo Hills bakin pendet ya kani kajing bakla nama ladang himla ban pendet kan mau ladang himla ban pendet mado ban tep Gombong mene di Bak Thomas. Wat hang ni hang iru. Kalak banja, kalak banlong. Bat kini ki beriu, kilak ban pendan kam. Da Khubor, ki bakam ajrong. Ban penbor yang i. Ban ailat ye kiru, bakin ye syembenta. Hakini ki institution. Lane kita Khubor, ki ba ai kerpang yang i kum ki jai penriu riu lom. Pari ngakot ngawer yapi. Nakani ka jaka hakani ka janmiet ka pamenta bangin ya yeng ban teli kawai kum ka jai benriu nyotrap ban yeng ban ya teli kawai kum ki trai muluk ban pentikna bangi ni dai ki trai jong kani ka jela Meghalaya jong kini ki lom kasi jan tiabat Garo ban pentikna bau nongwe nongar don hop ban syong Hakit dorbar trairi gijongi don hok ban syong ban rong ban long nong kawan hakit the council gijongi tongin ya syem ya karai hakni ga janmi ka pamenta balada dan kam ban yami ngin yami ringim betikna bakini ki dorbar trairi gijongi kini banne hakakti gijongi. My brothers and sisters, Diachik brothers and sisters, why here today we make this promise before you that COMSO, all the organizations that are there, as well as each and every person of the Nyotrip land, stand shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people in this fight. We stand in solidarity with everyone who are affected by these incidents that had happened in the last few days. We stand in solidarity with each brother and sisters in Garo Hills during this time, and we assure you that we will stand shoulder to shoulder with you whenever you need the Nyotrap people to fight along you. This is the message that I want to send to all of you, our Achik brothers and sisters, and thank you very much for being here, the leaders of Nangringamin Achik Dol or the Unified Garo organization, the students and leaders of the Garo Students Union, Khasi Zone, as well as to all the Achik brothers and sisters who are here in Shillong. Thank you very much for your time and for coming into this meeting. And this meeting, as I was saying, we have only one purpose, and that purpose is to show these Bangladeshis, these Mias or the Bangals, that the indigenous people of Meghalaya stands together during time that they need each other, and we will always stand together to fight the outsiders. That is the aim and the purpose of this meeting. So with these few words, thank you very much for